What's up, YouTube? Gonna make a quick video on changing the exhaust, one of the gaskets on the exhaust for a LS430. Should be from 2001 to 2006. Could work on the LS400s also. The code I was getting was P0430, and to diagnose this, I connected my shop vac to the rear of the exhaust, and I blew air this way, and I sprayed this down with soap and water, and I got a couple bubbles right here. One of them was pretty big, the other one seemed pretty good, and the correct part number, I just posted it. I got new hardware. I had to cut one of mine off. One of these stripped with the 14mm socket. On the other one, I hammered a 13mm on, and it came apart pretty good. And I applied heat to the nuts before breaking it apart. This one's still stripped. Well, one of them's still stripped, and I had to cut it apart. Just so trying to avoid you guys having to cut, going through a headache, I would just hammer a 13mm on there, heat up the nut, and then it should break apart with the hammer drill. I applied Loctite on it. I hope this car has 240,000 miles on it. I should never have to touch it again. Very good car, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I'm sure this cost a couple $100 to get repaired at the dealership. So yeah, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks.